click. Okay, first all, 先跟大家讲啊 ，Okay, I put all the materials of this class in the EE class. So, do you have the account of the EE class?
I think so.
Yes. Okay, you may check because you can find right now I put all the lectures and some reference and also some of the Arduino kits. This class we will teach you how to use the Arduino to capture the signal. 我们会教那个 Arduino. And furthermore, I will plan also teach the Raspberry. Do you know what is the Raspberry? 树莓派. Okay, in this class, maybe in the end. Because in this class, we have a site. 我们有一个现地的场址. We have a site just near our campus. It is behind the building of the Dome 11. This is another just to the main, close to the main gate. Do you know the 宵夜街? The back street, the night food, and we have a very small area of the slope. So we will choose that slope for our, the demonstration site. So in the end of this class, we will ask you maybe divided 4 or 5 groups and choose that site to monitoring the slope stability. 我们会去量这个边坡的稳定性在这一个学期里面。Okay, so all the lectures are uploaded already to the EE class. Okay, so today I will show you the syllabus. Okay, I'm not upload the syllabus later. Okay, so my name is 钟志忠. Okay, so you can call me CCC. Okay, Triple C. Or okay, and my office in 263. And this is my number, okay, and also this is my email, okay. So if you have any problem or some questions, you can email me, or you can find me in my office, or just call my phone, okay. And I think most day I will stay in the school, but right now I'm a director of the Dome service agency in our school. So means that all the Dome I need to charge. I deal with all the Dome, including the hardware and software. So maybe half time I need to stay in that office. So that's okay. You can find me through the email. Okay. And this is I think the most of you concerned. What is the grading? The homework will be 30%. And in-class exercise, some of exercise including programming, discussion, and also the presentation. Okay, well included to the 20%. And we will have a midterm exam, but the date is can be adjusted. Okay, depends on the schedule, learning schedule, and we will have a final exam. So the midterm exam will be you need to write down some answers by yourself, but the final exam will be in the form of the group final project. Okay, 我们最后会是一个 project 的形式And this day also depends on the schedule, because you know that we already delayed the 2 weeks of this semester. So I think officially the final week is about, let me check. 最后一个星期应该是 the first week of the July here. Okay, so suppose that maybe we should have a class till the 3rd of July. Okay, so this is our grading and any questions so far? Okay, and our course schedule. Okay, you can see here we will have an introduction this week, and the next we will have sensor and the transducer introduction, including the principal, function, and and application for the structural, geotechnique, geo-environmental, hydrological, okay, and also the environmental, okay, the traditional environmental. And the next, if this is too small, okay, large. And the next, I will teach you what is the data acquisition, what is the idea and the principle of the data acquisition, okay. And mostly the signal in our environment is analog, 就是类比的. But our computer is digital, okay. So our computer only know the 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, okay. So how to transfer the analog to the digital? There's some principle and requirement, okay. And related, I would talk about the signal processing. 我要接下来会介绍一些讯号处理 okay. So this may focus on the discrete signal processing, including some filter, 一些滤波 okay. And also we will show you what is the time spectrum, 就是时频 okay. One is the time domain, the other is the frequency domain, okay. This is a discrete signal processing. We will teach you in this semester. And the next, I will show you the monitoring system integration and setup. Also, we will learn the Arduino for the hardware integration, including the data acquisition. Okay, and the last two will depends on the schedule. So we will focus on the Arduino. And Arduino, do you know Arduino? 有没有人? Okay, so maybe later I will, maybe tomorrow I will show some pieces of Arduino and Raspberry. Okay, so the Arduino will based on the C++, the programming. Okay, and for the Raspberry, maybe we will use the Python. Okay, so anyone learn the program before? Do you learn the program?
Yeah, Python.
Python. Okay, Python. MATLAB. Okay. Okay, MATLAB is good because in this section we will use the MATLAB to teach you how to use the filter. Okay. And in our campus, the MATLAB right now is free and open for every student. Okay. Final, you will see here we will show you the information technology through the web development and middleware and the network. And the most important is the wireless sensor network. So in this area, I will teach you how to incorporate with the LoRa. LoRa is the new technology for the low power but very long distance transmission. Okay, so I will give you some LoRa, the hardware of LoRa, and you can combine into the Arduino. So finally, use all the knowledge of this class. I will ask you to have a final project to develop a system. You can find some sensor you want, the GPS, the tilt meter, or the most simple is the temperature, humidity. Okay, to monitor the stability of the slope next our campus. Okay, so this is our goal, and during this semester, I will plan that at least for the end of this May, we will have Security Tech 2020. This is a very large expo in Taipei, Nangang Expo area. So I will ask all the students to attend this expo, and you can find some very the latest technology for the disaster prevention. OK， 我会邀请各位去参加这个亚太的高峰它是一个展览在南港 ，OK， 在台北南港，然后在5月底。But I'm afraid maybe this will be cancelled or be delayed because of the disease. Okay, so just depends on the schedule. And next, I will plan site visiting, maybe also in the end of this May or in the June. Okay. And the next year, you can find this is the course material. I will use my own lectures mostly in this class. And tomorrow, I will bring a lot of reference if you want to. Okay, I already list here. This is for in the Chinese, and list in I think for the most of you can read in English. Okay, and also included here. So this is our syllabus. Okay, any questions? No? Okay, I will also put the video on the internet. Okay, and let me show it is postlet works well. Oh, good. Okay. Okay, before I just starting the introduction of this class, I will ask you, all the students, may you bring your own laptop, okay, in each time. I think we may have some programming exercise and also some the discussion, and also the step-by-step how teach you how to install or operate maybe the MATLAB, okay, or the Arduino. Okay, and before that, let me check. Oops, there should be a MATLAB. What is the MATLAB? Okay, I'm so sorry for that. Let me go into the portal, NCU portal system. Okay. So right now, you can see some authorized software in our campus. So I don't know if you can log in or not. If you cannot, please tell me. Okay. And here you can find the list of the software that also in our campus. And here you can find we have a MATLAB. Okay. So I just open the guide. Where is the guide? Okay. Firstly, you need account directly to the MATLAB website, official website. You need apply account. Okay, let me check. Sorry for that. Okay, and you need the school email as account. Okay. Okay, so here this is the installation guide for the install the MATLAB. But I'm so sorry it is in the Chinese, but I think you can ask your classmate to how to install. Okay, so I think the first applied account of the MATLAB website 你就直接在上面建立账号. So this is in the mathsworks.com. Okay, using your own email, but remember using the NCU edu tw email. Okay, and you will find some verification of the email and some maybe the password. Okay, and also you need to log in again, and right now I think in the last time I checked maybe the 2019. Let me check for you. Oops. MATLAB. Oops. MATLAB. Okay, so let me how can I log in? Okay, here. So maybe this is your first task, homework, to go home and install the MATLAB on your computer. Okay. And I already have my my license. Okay, so here you can find because I think all of you will have a student authorization account. Okay, and I have the campus. Okay. So let me check. If you click the download, okay, in the right side, right now the latest version is the 2019B. Okay, but frankly speaking, the most function almost the same. Okay. And for the MATLAB, there's a lot of, modules. Okay, so when you download it, you can choose what you like. Maybe there's maybe advanced signal processing. This is the module you need to click, and it will automatic download to your computer. And also the AI, the machine learning. Okay, and there's a lot of. Let me show you later. Okay, so right now in my computer, I already installed the 2019B. Okay, so let me open it for you. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so you will see if you already install that the first page is that to activate your software. Okay, so you need to I need to retype. I think I already type again, but I don't know why. Show. Oops. Too much password. Okay. Okay, confirm. So you already have the MATLAB. okay, in your computer or laptop. Oops, where is the MATLAB? Okay, may take the time. 所以请大家先回去装自行安装。So please back after this class you need to install your own MATLAB. Okay, we will use the MATLAB in this class oftenly. Okay, another I would like to ask all of you. Okay, here this is the GUI, the graphic interface. Okay, so in chapter 2, I will teach you how to use the MATLAB in the detail. Okay, just as I say, there's a lot of modules. Okay, for example, you can find here, this is the machine learning and the deep learning, the most hot topic so far. Okay, and also the basics of the math, statistics, and optimization. And also you can use the MATLAB for the control system and analysis. And the most important, I will use the signal process in this semester. Okay, also the image process. Okay, so you can find a lot of modules, you can download it, and you can get more through the internet. Okay, there's also some third-party package for you. So just click get more apps. Right now they call apps. I don't know how to the pronunciation of the apps in the France. In the Taiwan, we usually say this is app. Oh, you always say an app. Okay, app. Okay, so you can find this has a lot of module you can find yourself. So for the hydraulic or hydrologic, you already put the particle image velocimetry or PIV. That's a very important tool. Okay. Okay. So there's a lot of. In the last time, I also download the Super Mario, the module. You can play the Super Mario through the MATLAB. Okay. Okay, so this is the first requirement for you. And the next, I think you can download the Arduino software through the Microsoft Store. If you now the laptop in the version of the Windows 10, okay, you can find the Arduino. Arduino. Okay, so here this is the IDE. Okay, the environment for the programming of the Arduino. Okay, so very easy. You can just click the download just like the apps on your cell phone. Okay, so here you can find this is my Arduino apps in my computer. Okay. This is a very easy and a very ideal environment for the Arduino programming. Okay, here. So I will teach you how to program your own Arduino function. Okay, so this is a two program maybe we needed to install priority. Okay， 好，我们要先安装了吼。那接下来我们在开始之前呢其实这边有很多影片我觉得很有意思每一次课我都会秀。OK， 好，我 我直接用比较大的画面哦，因为我在录影。Okay. So this is a very easy introduction of this class. Okay. So this picture are taken by myself in the 2009 because in that time we have a very large typhoon Morak. Yes, 2009. So the last year is the 10 years after the Morak. Okay, so how old are you in that time, 2009? 10? 12? Okay. And how about you? 13, 14? No? 12?
Yeah.
Okay, almost the same. Okay. So this is almost 10 years after, okay, of the Typhoon Morak. So let me show you the, okay, I may have the laser point. Okay, so this picture is was took and at the southern Taiwan. So here you can find the bridge. This is the number two highway of the Taiwan. Okay, and this is the Gaoping River, the largest river in the southern Taiwan, 就高平溪. Okay, and you can find the structure collapse next to the river, and also this is the very big landslide. Can you see that? Okay. This is the largest slide next to the river, and up to the village. I mean to the upstream to the mountain area. There's a village behind this road, but you can find the only way was valued during Typhoon Morak. So in that time, you maybe I can find some news for you. Okay, the resident of the village show some remarks said that we need help because this is the be isolated after the Typhoon Morak. OK， 有点像孤岛了哈。这个是六龟 ，OK， 六龟 ，OK， and this area we may have a very famous hot spring in this place. Okay, so also in a picture after the Typhoon Morak, this is the mountain area near to the Nanhua Reservoir. Okay, it is located at Tainan. Okay, and you can find there's a lot of debris flow. Okay, 土石流. Okay, now this is the scale of the rocks. So you can find very huge rocks during the Typhoon Morak. Okay, and this is also the reservoir. Okay, I mean this is the river, and this is the gate to guide the water into the main reservoir. Okay, this is what we call the 甲仙蓝河堰 after the Typhoon Morak. Okay, 甲仙 okay, it's very famous with the ice cream. Okay, 甲仙那个芋头冰 okay, okay. So I have a very little question for all of you. Can you guess what it is? 猜一下这是什么 The white object, what it is? Your guess?
I don't know.
I don't. You don't know.
No.
Your guess?
Trash.
Huh? Trash.
Yeah.
After that, it is trash. Okay,
Oh.
of course. So originally, what is this? 你呢？你觉得？
房子某部分。
房子的某部分 ，part of the house. Okay, good. Actually, this is a car.
哦。
Okay, 这是一台车啊。Okay, so you can find a very huge, a flood during the Typhoon Morak. Later, I will show you the real image video in that time. But the side is the direction is here. But later, I will show you the video just in this direction. Okay. So here, this is the downstream, and in the left side is the upstream. So we will show you the video of the flow from the upstream. Okay, here you can find this is also another gate for the water supply in the Gaoping River. I see maybe in the downstream of this area. Okay. Oops. So you can find here is a construction machine, right? So means that this wall, how tall it is? Maybe 10 meters. Okay. So usually the water level, the water level of the river is located here because this is the water supplied company. So the main income, the inlet of the water supply here, and outside of this wall is the river. But during the Typhoon Morak, can you imagine that this is the overflow? Okay, water overflow of this wall, and this machine also was destroyed by the flow water. Okay. So you cannot imagine that how serious during the Typhoon Morak. Okay. So this is the image I try to show you. This is the upstream, and just I said, the car here is located here. Okay. So let me show you. And the left side is the office. So fortunately, all people already escaped from that area. So you can find this all the woods, floating woods. Okay, show you again. And the bridge next to this location were also destroyed by during the Typhoon Morak. Okay, so I think this is a very huge event in Taiwan, 2009. And the next, I will show you some picture I downloaded from this is in New Jersey, okay, in the US. So after the very big rainfall event, you can find all the cars blocks in the front of this bridge. Okay, maybe 2 years ago. Okay, So I think this is the event is common usually most usually common. OK， 越来越稀松平常了哦。And this video I just downloaded in the last year. It's in Taiwan. Did you ever been to the Taichung? Taichung in central Taiwan. Taichung, not yet. Okay. After the big rainfall, just 1 hour, 2 hours, you can find here. You cannot ride a motorcycle, okay, because you can see the velocity of flow is too much, okay. And here, this is the video in the last year, okay. In Japan, Chikuma River. The river bank destroyed, so you can find the floods in a very large area. I'm trying to show you the most this kind of the disaster video because I need to point out what can we do previous. And this is the most way is through monitoring. Okay, so that's why I open this class and then teach you how to monitoring for the disaster and also some issues of the environmental. Okay, so I quickly show you some video here, and please attend the class tomorrow 10, right? Yeah. 10 a.m. And remember, call your friends to attend the class, okay? And we will discuss because this morning AM class I think is too early for every student, but for my usually experience, I will move this class to the tomorrow. Before or after, we will put the 3 class together. So depends on your schedule. We will discuss tomorrow. So that's all. Any questions? No? Yes. 可以的话 because you can use your own computer or laptop to download the lecture. So you can have some note by yourselves, okay? For the saving of the world, I will not print the paper lecture for all of you, okay? Oh, see you tomorrow.